welcome to Maths World. In today's video, we are going to discuss about subtraction of the unlike fractions. In the previous video, we have already discussed about addition of different types of fractions and ascending descending order of the given fractions. So subtraction is we already learned addition. So subtraction is very easy to understand. Just a symbol change. Okay, today's video we are going to discuss exercise 7.3 upon do this. First problem we have already discussed. This first question is addition of the like or unlike fractions. So in this class we are going to discuss subtract the following. Second question. Okay, 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. Okay, so do this second problem. 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. Okay, so the question is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. Okay, these are unlike fractions. We are going to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. We already know the method. I am multiplying first fraction with second fraction denominator, second fraction with first fraction denominator. 3 7 ja 21 by 5 7 ja 35 minus 2 5 ja 10 by 5 7 ja 35. So subtraction and addition both are same method we are following. In the last step only we are going to subtract. Okay, so now the given fractions are converted into like fractions. So 21 minus 10, so how much? 11 by 35 is the answer. Okay, next question number 2. This is 1. Question number 2, do this 1 by 9 from 2 by 5. Okay, 1 by 9 from 2 by 5. Okay, so from 2 by 5 minus 1 by 9, these are unlike fractions. We are going to convert these two to like fractions. So 1 by 9 into 5 by 5. So 2 9s are 18 by 45. 5 9s are 45 minus 5 1 5s are 5 by 9 5s are 45. Now these fractions are converted to like fractions. So 18 minus 5. How much? 18 minus 5. 13 by 45. Okay, so this is the answer. Next we are going to discuss about exercise 7.3. Write shaded portion has fraction. Arrange them in ascending or descending order using sign less than, equal, greater than between the fractions. Okay, we are going to discuss first question. So here this is a circle. Circle is divided into equal parts. How many equal parts? 1 2 3 4 4 4 8. So a circle is divided into 8 equal parts. All are circles, all are divided into 8 equal parts. So by observing these pictures, what we will observe? So the given fractions are like fractions. Okay, so if we write fractions for these symbols, pictorial, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is the denominator. And how many parts were shaded? 3 parts were shaded. 3 by 8. So here it is 8 parts were divided. And how many parts were shaded? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 by 8. And then coming to this picture, so denominator is same 8, and 1 2 3 4 4 parts were shaded. And here it is 1 part were shaded, 8 total parts were divided. So if we write ascending order of the given fractions or descending order of the given fractions, coming to question 1. So what we get? 3 by 8, 6 by 8, 4 by 8, 1 by 8. these all are like fractions. Okay, like fractions. Okay, so we are going to write at first ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Okay, so these are like fractions. So the numerator which is having a smaller number is the smallest fraction. So 1 by 8 is less than 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. Okay, so this is the ascending order of the given fractions. Next, descending order. Descending order of the given fractions. So vice versa. So ascending order means smaller to bigger, descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay, 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. This is the answer. Coming to question number 2. This is also like fraction. So the like fraction factorial. So here it is circles they have given. So sorry, here it is squares they have given. Each square divided into 9 equal parts. So we are getting the denominator has 9 to all the fractions. If we write fractions for this pictorial, so denominator is 9. How many parts were shaded? 8 parts were shaded. So how many parts were shaded? 4 parts, 9. How many parts were shaded? 4 parts were shaded. So here it is 3 parts were shaded, 9. So here it is 6 parts were shaded, 9. Okay, now we are going to write ascending descending order of the given fractions. Okay, so what are the fractions? 8 by 9, comma 4 by 9, comma 3 by 9, comma 6 by 9. Okay, so we are going to write at first ascending order means smaller to bigger. Which is the smaller one? These are like fractions. So 3 by 9 is smaller, is less than 4 by 9 is less than 6 by 9 is less than 8 by 9. If we write a descending order of the given fractions, so descending order means 8 by 9 is greater than bigger to smaller, 6 by 9 is greater than, 4 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. So this is the descending order of the given fractions. So next question number 2. Show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6 on the number line, and also arrange them in ascending order. Okay, this is the given question. So if we observe these fractions, all are like fractions. Why? Because these all fractions are having 6 as a denominator. So and also these fractions are proper fractions. No, okay. So numerator is smaller than denominator. So these all are what fractions? 2 by 6, comma 4 by 6, comma 8 by 6, comma 5 by 6, comma 6 by 6. These all are like fractions. And also these all are proper fractions. So we already discussed the value of proper fractions. Value of proper fractions is always less than 1. Okay, is always less than 1. Okay, so if we want to show these all fractions on the number line, the value of these fractions lies in between 0 to 1. Okay, why? Because value of proper fractions is less than 1. So 0 to 1. These fractions lies in between 0 to 1. Okay, so I am dividing the place between 0 to 1 on the number line as 6 equal parts. Okay, 6 equal parts. Means 5 lines I am going to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If we draw 5 lines, the place in between 0 to 1 divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, first of all, these all are like fractions and also proper fractions. The value of the proper fractions lies in between 0 to 1. Okay. So, I am going to mark as 1 by 6, 2 by 6. This part is 3 by 6, this part is 4 by 6, this part is 5 by 6, and this part is 6 by 6. 6 cancel 1. Okay, 6 by 6. So the question is show them, arrange them on number line. Okay, all are equal. 2 by 6 this one, and 4 by 6 this one, and 8 by 6. 8 by 6. Okay, this only 8 by 6 is a fraction. So when we are going to compare any two fractions, then we will tell those are like or unlike. Okay, this is a single fraction, so improper fraction. So improper fraction value is always value of improper fraction is always greater than 1. Okay, is always greater than 1. Okay, so and 6 by 6 is also over. So the remaining one fraction is 8 by 6. I am going to mark 8 by 6. For that I am extending this. So and I am taking 2 also. Okay, so I am marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am dividing this second part also 6 equal parts. So 8 by 6 means what? 8 by 6. Okay, if we convert these into mixed fractions, 6 1 just 6, remainder is 2. Okay, so 2 I am going to write 2 as a numerator and 6 as a denominator, and 1 quotient 1 is I am going to write it as a whole part. So 1 whole part and 2 by 6 is the given fractions mixed fraction form. Okay, so we are going to mark 1 whole part, and then 2 by 6. Okay, 1 2 by. Okay, so don't confuse. So if the given fractions are like fractions, the value of that all fractions lies in between 0 to 1. So we are going to divide 0 to 1's middle place. We are going to divide if it has 8, we will divide 8 parts. If the denominator is 6, we will divide 6 parts. If the denominator is 12, we will divide 12 equal parts. Okay, so there is no confusion. Exception for the improper fractions. If the given fraction is improper fraction, we are going to convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction, and then we are going to show on the number line. So if we convert this 8 by 6 as a mixed fraction, we will get 1 2 by 6 is the 1 whole part, 2 by 6 is the answer. So we are going to show 1 2 by 6 on the number line. So 1 after 2 by 6. Okay, so for this I am going to divide these 1 2 in between 1 to 2 place on the number line has 6 parts, 6 equal parts. I am going to take 2 parts. That is if we compare from 0 to this part, this is the 8 by 6th part for the given fraction. Okay, so coming to the third question, look at the figures and write less than or greater than or equal between the given pairs of fractions. Okay, this is the 1 whole part. Okay, 1 whole part. Okay, here the given pictures are like if we observe carefully, like these all are considering as number line. Okay, like 0 by 2, 2 by 2. So this is the whole part is divided into two parts, two equal parts. Okay, if we write this as a fraction, what we will write 1 by 2. Okay, are you understood? So next, this is whole part is divided into three equal parts. So this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3, this is 3 by 3. Next, this whole part, same part is divided into different parts. Okay, so 0 to 4 divided into 4 equal parts. So this is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, this is 3 by 4, this is 4 by 4, and then the whole part is divided into 5 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, and 5 by 5. This whole part is divided into 6 equal parts. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, and then 5 by 6. So now we are going to solve the questions under third question. So these are the given questions. Compare these 5 questions. So question number 1 is 1 by 6 dash 1 by 3. We have to put greater than, less than, or is equal. So these, first of all, these two are unlike fractions. We are going to convert them like fractions. So 1 by 6 into 3 by 3, 1 by 3 into 6 by 6. 3 1 ja 3 by 6, 3 is 18. And then 1 by 6 1 ja 6 by 3, 6 ja 18. So these fractions are now converted to like fractions. We will put 6 is greater than 3. So 3 by 18 is less than 6 by 18. So this 6 by 18 comes from 1 by 3. 3 by 18 comes from 1 by 6. So we are going to put less than. And then coming to the second question. So these fractions are also unlike fractions. We are going to convert these to like fractions. For this I am going to multiply first fraction with second fraction denominator, second fraction with first fraction denominator. 3 6 ja 18 by 4 6 ja 24, and 2 4 ja 8 by 6 4 ja 24. Now the given fractions are converted to like fractions. So which is the bigger numerator, that is bigger fraction. I am going to put greater than. So 18 by 24 comes from 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. Okay. Now coming to question number 3. So 2 by 3, 2 by 4. So these are fractions also unlike fractions. So we are going to convert them. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 4, and 2 by 4 into 3 by 3. So 2 4s are 8 by 3 4s are 12, and 2 3s are 6 by 4 3s are 12. Now the given fractions are converted to like fractions. So 8 is the bigger than 6, so I am going to put greater than, and also 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4.